Hello. I've come to do some maths with you today, if that's okay. I've not come on my own though. Oh no. Come on then. Come and say hello. Hello. Phonics Fred's come to do some maths with you today. Now, you don't normally do maths, do you, Phonics? He normally does phonics. That's why we call him Phonics Fred. Anyway, he's come to join us today. Fred, you're looking a bit worried.
I am.
What are you worried about?
Not very good at maths.
Oh, we don't have to worry about that, do we? You can help, can't you? Are you ready then, Fred?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to warm up our brains first, and I thought we'd do that with a little song. Well, do you mind sitting down a minute, Phonics Fred?
Okay.
And I've just got to get some little monkeys on my other fingers.
Oh.
I know. Now, they're a little bit tricky. So, let's have a look. Got them on that hand. Need to get them on this hand. And there's quite a lot to get on. Let's have a look. We're nearly there. Now, these little monkeys are a little bit silly. You might have heard of this song before. And there's quite a few of them. Let's have a look. Oh, there they all are. Now they're all ready for their song. There we go. Can we see them? Yeah. We've got 10. 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, let's have a look at our monkeys. Oh, we've got one less. We started with 10. Now we've got one less. What would that number be? Oh, I thought I heard somebody. I think you could be right. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off. Whoop, here he goes. Whoop, and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. We had 9, now we've got one less. What could our number be? Ooh, let's check, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off whoop, and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now then, how many monkeys have we got now? Oh, I can definitely hear some children shouting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You were right. 7 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off whoop, and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One less than 7. What could that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You were right. 6 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off and bumped his head. Mummy phoned the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How? Ooh, we had 6, one less. One less than 6 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. We had 5. One less than 5 is 4. You're right. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One jumped off whoop, and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One jumped off and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many have we got left now? Just 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One flew off whoop, and bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys have we got left now? Just one. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He flew off. Ooh, Ooh! And bumped his head. Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Those monkeys were very silly, weren't they? What did you think, Fred?
Well, they were a little bit silly.
They were a little bit silly. Anyway, are you ready for some more maths? Oh, I'm glad he's really looking forward to it, I think. Well, today we're going to do some part, whole. Now, the whole can be split into two different parts or two different ways. The parts might look different, but each part will be smaller than the whole. Okay? And some of you have done this before. I'm hoping you all remember. But if you don't, that's okay. So, we're ready for our next bit. Right, I might just need you to follow me a little minute. Just come with me. Oh, here we go. Here it comes. Here we go. Right. You might be able to see my field of animals. I have a field full of animals. I have two different types of animals in the whole of the field. In one part of my field, I have sheep. And in the other part of my field, I have cows. Right, I'm going to put you back over here. Here we go. Can you see me again? Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to count our sheep. Okay. Oh, I'm going to come round here a little bit. So, I'm going to move this forward. Here we go. So you can see it. Here it comes. A bit closer and a bit closer. Okay. So ready to count our sheep? I do need your help because Phonics Fred's a little bit ropey on counting. Right, here we go. 1. Oops, there he is. 2. 3. And the last sheep is 4. Ooh, just squeezed him on. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is count our cows. Are we ready? 1, 2. Not big, that one. 3. Okay. Oh, can we squeeze you in? Oh, just. Okay. So now we've got our cows and our sheep. But what do we need to do next? Because what I need to think about now is my whole. I want to know how many sheep I have in my field all together. Are you thinking, Fred, too?
Mrs. Jones,
Yeah.
do we have to count all of them?
Yes, we do. All together. Are we ready? You do definitely need to help Fred. Okay. Right, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 all together. You are brilliant at counting. Right. I think we could write the number 7 here in our whole. But what does the number 7 look like? Do you know, Fred? You don't?
We could look on our number line.
You could look on your number line. Let's have a look. What number were we counting up to, Fred?
7.
7, that's right. So remember that. When you get to 7, that's when we're stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Stop.
Okay, that's what our 7 looks like. Let's write our number 7 now we know what it looks like in here. Okay, there we are. So 4 and 3 makes 7. Okay, right then. I'm going to show you one more of our part whole. This time I'm going to use bricks.
Oh.
Yeah, you can use any anything you like. So I'm going to use some yellow bricks. Okay.
Oh.
Right. Oh, you go around there. Right. 1. Okay. You peeping over the top?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. I hope you was counting with me.
Oh, I forgot.
Well, Fred. Oh, one more. 5. 5 yellow bricks. That's in our first part. But we've got 2 parts. Now we've got some red bricks.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't hear you doing much counting, Fred.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
I hope you were counting at home. Fred, honestly. Right, let's have a look what we've got. Let's count the yellow bricks again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. What do you think to that, Fred?
Oh, they're both the same.
They are both the same. Right. Now then, what's the number 5 look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop.
Okay. Right, I think we'll write the number 5 in that one, and we'll write the number 5 in that one. Fred, can you remember what we had to do next?
We had to add them all together to find the hole.
We did. Are we ready? Make sure you join in, because that Fred, he keeps forgetting to count. Oh, yes, it's no good hanging your head. Right, you help at home.
I'm watching.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. That's quite a big number.
Whoa. Shall we find it on the number line?
Well, we could do, couldn't we? Just to make sure we know what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
I know, wow indeed. Right, let's put that in our hole. That's a 1 and a 0. Okay, so we've got 5, and 5 is the same as 10, or 5 and 5 add together makes 10. I love part hole. You could even write a number sentence. 5 add 5 is the same as 10. Wow. Are you coming back down then, Fred?
Okay.
It's coming back down. I'm going to just push this back a little bit. Because that's me done. But you know, you could do it at home. You could get your grown-ups to help you draw a part hole, couldn't you? And they could collect some things around their house, couldn't they, Fred?
Yeah.
You could use anything. See if you could do 2 parts like Mrs. Jones has done.
Yeah.
With the sheep and the cows and the bricks, different colours. And then add those 2 together. See if you can find that hole. What do you think, Fred? Do you think we could do that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they could. Dead easy. Okay, I think that's me done for today. But I might see you again another day with some more. Might do some more part hole. Okay, are you ready? We're ready to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.